Hey guys, spring is here, almost clear blue sky, nice weather, nice for fiddling around working with your cars. And today I'm working on the Chevelle. A long time ago I did notice that the rear fenders, before I came into the position of the car, there was made some questionable rust repair. So a long time ago I decided to replace the edge because it was very badly made. So I took it off this morning and I got the repair pieces for it here for both sides. But when I came in behind the quarter panel, and looked on the inner wheel well housing, I could see that I need to go a bit deeper. As you can see here, somebody has been in here and did some rust repair on the inner, and it was very thin in various places. So something needed to be done. So my problem was that I did not buy, and that was maybe stupid, but I did not buy the inner wheel wells for this small project. I assumed it stopped right after the quarter panel, but no. So what I did was that I took the repair piece for the other side, cut the edge out, and of course it's not the same shape. So I made a couple of small slices here and fitted it inside here. Tacked it up a bit after I'd opened it, so it fits 100% to the driver's side. So the project now is to install this, that was an outer, use it as an inner, and after that install the inner. That leaves me of course with a problem that I have to buy 2 new of these, and I will do so because I'm pretty sure that I can see that the repair that has been done all over on this side is also a bit rough or bad. So I'm assuming when I'm coming in behind that quarter panel, it will be the same. So I will buy 2 new ones in USA. And the reason why I did this, I know you guys in the USA, it's easy for you. You just go around the corner and then you have it maybe at the latest the day after. That's not the same for me. It doesn't work that way here. That will stop me, this small project, for 2 or 3 weeks. I don't have time for that. I have no patience for that. So this is the solution I came up with. And here you can see the relief cuts and the small tack welding, so it fits nicely again. So this is in fact the project for now for the Chevelle, making both quarter panels. So it's done. Yeah, I think that was it for today. Thanks.